There is something strange in English. Karalo kuzambota jemaliso se shunila dari. There is something strange in English. Ani igudi sila. Ani igudi. And ko namas me tamaship ime ani tamaship. Did you know that this letter has 3 sounds? Laftang sum du badalani lu sum. Letter is U. Deodan laftang sum. The sum di kachi kachi na. Dele final problem is article lalin thaptala. A and the dele 0 article. Ani kate lalin thapni na ani ke kole in la hanalu tari. So be with me for 5 minutes. Don't go away. Loji de jam to ila. The khau chi shege. The khau gi patengo batalani. Modern teacher ki khau yani. Ani selfie stick chak ta be jojo ki khau. Okay. Ani silani. Letter is U and it has 3 unique sounds. 3 sounds. The chiti bachin ani mela. Simide ana zong khana ke dishai. Lab go bela ni di te sound ni badi anadula. Subju U ani di U ani di ya subju U ya subju U tele ani di chamchi me U U sum de dula ne lu ke sum. This has 3 sounds. So U U. The ani sound sum dina article A and the there is 0 article say la gachi mapomidi article mapomidi ani gachi phobina ani ila dari analu the ki theka hebda de it is a vowel sound la semiti vowel sound ila I O au disugara vowel sounds hebda de jamra jamela vowel sounds like agidi up uncle tele umbrella upon under ugly dubala ni sound gar do ani hebda de article n topla article n we say an uphill drive, an uncle, an umbrella. Chi bachinla. Upon. Once upon a time. And there are underlu, and under, and underpants, under, and ugly, an ugly photo, ugly, n, ana n pola, n ana. Da analu dorchi la sound chi U ani letter dilu doro sound so chi U sedula ani theka hebdalo. The U is not vowel sound. U la midi vowel sound me marela mela U se midi vowel sound me. So universe, unit, university, unique, union, use, utopia. Ani disulu article gachi pomosa achin the universe laungla, the unit, the university, the unique, the union, the use, the utopia. Ani la the analu bewachin U imebala sound di U bewdalu ana tawachin lejumir tawachin gara mingi mela ming te mingi thamalu article mifo se ngachi shegola mingi thamalu article mifola ming bewachin the balbadur da selabni mi balbadur lo n balbadur se mila mingi thamalu article mifo te mafomi di 0 la bila 0 article te ani mafomi di sugara ana mingi me for example uber se mi taxi ma da ani mingi uber so no article. The Uzbekistan is name of a country. So Uzbekistan country anila 0 article. The Ugen simiti Bhutanese name la Ugen simiti Bhutanese anilo 0 article. The we have Utpal is the name of a school in Bhutan. Utpal simiti mingila. So this is a name. So 0 article. Next one is Ulaanbaatar. Recently, His Majesty visited Mongolia, right? So Mongolia jen be Ulaanbaatar, capital city of Mongolia. So Mongolia name of a place. Sa giming imala, sacha giming, and bendiki zero article, which is NMFO, DIMFO, AIMFO, zero article sim danila. So I hope I have clarified your doubt with the use of article A and the zero article nam sunina ani letter the chika gatibe lalan tapna ani kole susaila and bendiki videos like this will come and go. So please, if you don't have time, just download it and keep it for your future use. So bye for now.